Imagine a place where the ocean meets volcanic rock pools, where dolphins swim alongside your boat, and where you can walk above the clouds. Welcome to Madeira. Uncover the magic of this Portuguese archipelago, known as the Island of Eternal Spring. Our journey begins in Funchal, Madeira's vibrant capital city, where history and modernity blend seamlessly. Start your day with a peaceful stroll through one of the largest parks in Madeira. Take in the lush flora, fauna, and fountains, and find a quiet nook to relax and soak in the beauty. Next, hop on the Funchal cable car for a scenic ride to the Madeira Botanical Garden. Explore 12 acres of stunning gardens, tropical fruit trees, and an aviary of exotic birds. Continue your journey to Monte, where you'll find an 18th century church and the breathtaking Monte Palace Tropical Garden. Walk through Japanese-inspired gardens with stepping stones, arched bridges, and ornate pagodas. For the adventurous, take a thrilling toboggan ride down the steep hills of Monte, or opt for a more relaxing descent via the cable car, enjoying the panoramic views of Funchal. On day 2, embark on a tour of the west side of the island, starting with the charming fishing town of Câmara de Lobos. Visit Cabo Girão, a famous cliff-top viewpoint offering stunning vistas of Funchal and the coastline. Explore Ribeira Brava, a coastal village with a black sand beach and high viewpoints. Ascend to Encomiada, where you'll be above the clouds, and take a walk along the Lavada trails. Wander through the picturesque town of São Vicente, surrounded by towering mountains and sea views. End your day in Porto Moniz, where you can swim in natural volcanic rock pools filled with fresh seawater. On day 3, set sail from Funchal Marina on a catamaran to spot dolphins and whales in their natural habitat. Marvel as dolphins swim alongside the boat and take a refreshing dip in the Atlantic Ocean. For your final day, explore the east side of Madeira, starting with the breathtaking viewpoint of Pico do Arrieiro. Visit Ribeiro Frio, a small village with stunning vistas and popular starting points for lavada walks. Discover the traditional triangular straw-topped houses in the village of Santana. If time allows, head to Ponta de São Lourenço, the easternmost point of the island with dramatic clifftop views. Conclude your tour in Machico, home to one of Madeira's few man-made sandy beaches, or visit the popular epic waterfall at Estrada da Serra in the Ribeira Brava region. Throughout your stay, Funchal serves as the perfect base, offering convenient access to tours and the airport. Getting to Madeira is an adventure in itself, with Funchal Airport's challenging runway requiring skilled pilots. As Madeira's popularity grows, more airlines are adding Funchal to their destination lists. So, are you ready to uncover the treasures of Madeira in just 4 days? Pack your bags and let the adventure begin. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Please like and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Madeira awaits you.